Hey friends, if you wish to boost or extend Bluetooth signal range in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So most probably the solution lies with the hardware change, but before that, let us just try to update the drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth, right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth 1 and update the drivers. Does it help? If not, then let's go to the next point. In this case, you will have to go to Amazon or any other such website like amazon.com or any other such similar website, okay, like Best Buy or Walmart, whatever you prefer, and then you can search for Bluetooth adapter. These are very cheap and very useful. Try any one of these adapters. Okay, they won't cost a lot, but the thing is that they will extend the range considerably. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.